In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate Asana with Zapier. We're going to build a simple automation that watches for new tasks in an Asana project and then sends that task information into Google Sheets. This is a great way to keep a running log of project activity, create reports, or organize task data in a format your team can easily review. To get started, log into your Zapier account. Once you're in, click Create and choose Zap. This opens a new automation where you'll define what should happen and when it should happen. First, click the trigger step. In the app search bar, look for Asana and select it. Next, choose your trigger event. For this example, use New Task in Project, which means the Zap will run every time a new task is added to a specific Asana project. Now connect your Asana account to Zapier. After that, select the Asana workspace and the project you want Zapier to monitor. Make sure you choose the correct project, since this is where your new task data will come from. Then click Continue. Zapier will now ask you to test the trigger. Click Test Trigger and verify that Zapier successfully pulls in sample task data from Asana. This step is important because it confirms the connection is working and gives you real example data to use in the next part of the setup. Once that looks good, click Continue. Next, click the Action step. Search for Google Sheets and select it as your action app. For the action event, choose Create Spreadsheet Row. This tells Zapier to add a new row to your spreadsheet whenever the trigger finds a new task in Asana. Connect your Google Sheets account, then select the spreadsheet and worksheet where you want the task data to be stored. After that, map the Asana task fields to the spreadsheet columns. For example, you'll match details like the task name or other available task information to the appropriate columns in your sheet. Take your time here because accurate mapping helps keep your data organized and easy to use later. When you're finished, click Continue. Now test the action by clicking Test Step. Check that a new row is added to Google Sheets and that the information appears in the correct columns. If everything looks right, click Publish to activate your Zap. To confirm the automation is fully working, create a new task in the Asana project you selected earlier. Then check your Google Sheet and confirm that the new task is automatically added as a new row. That's it. You've successfully connected Asana with Zapier and created an automation that sends task data into Google Sheets. Thanks for watching.